$10 billion has been pulled from Tether, I believe, over the past week or so. And, you know, I don't know how they maintain the peg when you have all that money flowing out.
Yeah, you know, it's a good question. You have on the one hand to sort of lump it into sort of these two groups. You have a strong group of sort of Tether supporters. And, you know, just to give some background, Tether is sort of seen in some ways as the unofficial central bank of the crypto sector, just due to how much money is in it. Before we saw this shakeout, there's about 83, its circulating market cap was about $83 billion. So it has a ton of money in it. And a lot of people make the argument that a lot of what backs Bitcoin is the price of Tether and how liquid it is. Tether backs its reserves and, you know, much more secure, relatively speaking, you know, government debt, most often U.S. Treasury bills. But that being said, Tether has for years, you know, been scrutinized by regulators and critics in the sector for also holding commercial paper. And then these attestation reports, which are, you know, generally the most transparency people get around Tether, have, you know, they come out once a quarter, which most of the critics say is not soon enough. And it is further behind other stable coins. Sort of the second largest stable coin, USD coin, Circle issues this stable coin is you know, they report much more regularly. They're also their assets are managed by BlackRock, which has been sort of a recent development. But so, you know, as we've seen the drop in Tether's market cap happen, we've seen about $5 billion go into USD coin. So that is partly, you know, where we could be seeing stablecoin, or at least investors moving their money from one stablecoin to another. But that being said, I think there's definitely a portion of the money from Tether that has probably exited the asset class, given just sort of the risk-off sentiment we've seen, and a general, you know, I would say just skepticism that's sort of come back to cryptocurrency since we've seen this big boom in the last year.